Hello everyone, welcome back to Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. Thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe if you want to. No pressure. I just appreciate you guys watching this video. I just like to game and show my gameplay and talk to other gamers and stuff like that. But thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoy the video. Alright, let's see. We're on Kashyyyk and we swam some and we're jumping on these kind of booger looking plants. Oh, wow. Oh boy. Pass? Oh, this guy. Hey. Hey. Not that much of a problem, but we have to deal with you and this guy. Whew. There's some skill right there. Whew. Skill and luck. Alright, moving by myself, so something must be happening.
What's this? A Brockus scrap rat playing Jedi. I told the Grand Inquisitor you wouldn't be stupid enough to show your face here again, especially after we wiped out that feeble resistance. Love it when I'm wrong. Hang on!
Oh, whee! Ooh. Booger bouncing fun! Wow.
What is that thing? The Night Sisters are searching for us. I should call. On second thought.
The unfinished copy. Whew. Is that a beautiful checkpoint? And that part was fun. I always love those intense moments in those games that they make you like do like a running or something, but it's like not that hard, but like. One second, let me do something real quick. Ooh, that's close. My battery was running low, but the thing was in, it just wasn't in all the way. It's like it's plugged in. Why is it not charging? Alright, let's see what skills we can get. I think it's down here. What's this one all the way over here? That does look good. I might do that one. And I'll get max force. Let me get that. Get that Apple iTunes update pop up. It's like, I'll do when I'm good and ready. Alright. Why'd you bring a friend? And your other friend? I have no idea what's going on. So much. It's just. Oh, okay. Oh, you're gonna attack that guy? Okay. Hey. Oh.
BD, stim.
Send him.
Little help, BD.
You and me, buddy.
BD.
Alright, okay. Oh man, good. God. I might just get my strength back here. I don't care if these guys respawn. It's like I can waste that much energy on these guys. All I'll do is just have to avoid these guys. Get off these targets. I don't want to fight you. There you go. Get off the target. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, like a-hole. Don't want to fight you. Get off me.
Help me, BD.
Oh, man. Alright. Just fall. I'm gonna figure out how to get the targeting off, because if you don't want to fight guys, and it's like if they're targeted on them, it's like, no, I don't want to. I want to. Controls. Okay. Target. have to fight you if I don't want to.
For generations, the Wookiees made a pilgrimage to the top. The tree guided them. The stormtrooper was dragged here by some type of creature. And scary out there, BD.
Okay, guys. Okay, bye. Bye. Sorry. Oh, come on, guys. I'm out here. There you go. Trying to draw you into a fight. Like, no, I don't want to deal with you. Deal with that guy. Oh, let's see. So I'm going to avoid this guy. All I want to do is jump up here. There we go. Oh, jeez. More of these guys. Alright, up here. Climb up here. Climb up here. Climb up here. And booger jump. Booger jump.
Shh. We don't know if it's friendly. That's the thing that took down the Night Sister. Oh.
Okay. I'm a friendly. I'm a chicken. Ooh. Oh, hey. Okay. Why am I in... This is weird. This thing.
Get up. Try again.
Again.
Just keep failing, Master.
Do you? Good. Keep failing. Keep getting back up. That is the only way to succeed. Do not allow yourself to be weighed down by ego and pretense. Let go of what you fear to lose and rise up. Now. Again. Good. Now reach my position. You can do it.
Oh.
Perhaps I chose the wrong path.
Oh. Oh.
Choking cat.
Oh.
Opinions of others.
Sweet.
It's a weakness your enemies can exploit.
Just gotta keep getting back up, ED. As long as we get back up, we're still in this fight.
Oh, sweet.
Finally back to work.
For the purge. Let's see what I got now. I got that one. Pull. Lightsaber damage, I like that. So if I wanted to, I could off camera
Was before the purge.
maybe get enough skill
Before
and
Master Tapalde.
just get a lot of skill points. This thing is always so weird. Alright, there. Whee! Don't. You can also jump over it. And there you go. Okay, that's where I'm going. Okay. Please come for me. Oh, that's hard. Wait. Where'd I go? Oh, there. There we go. There we go. I just like doing the flips. I'm a Jedi.
It's hurt. Think we can help it?
Oh, hey guys.
This tree connects the core.
Where's this guy?
Can toss me a stim? That's so much better.
We're gonna see a big guy here. Why else would it zoom out? Oh. Seeing booger potential. Oh, jump off that. Oh, maybe I drop off and I do the jump. Or I just keep going up.
From the Clone Wars. The war never ended here. Everything we did any of it matter? I don't think that's how it works.
jump off this thing. One thing. Oh. Whew. Those skills, you gotta show those skills. Alright, buddy?
No, but we have to be careful. I don't want to spook it. Hey, it's okay. We're not here to hurt you. We're friends, understand? Friends. It's okay. It's a piece of the Night Sister's ship. We need to remove it. It's gonna hurt, okay? I'm sorry. Thanks, BD. There you go. Oh. It's the least we could do.
Can I ride that thing and just wreck stormtroopers? That'd be awesome. Do I get to ride it?
They're giving us a lift? There's still so much the Empire hasn't touched.
Oh, it's beautiful. It starts playing the never-ending story music. Come on, Falcor! Do 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 do. Oh wow. Again. Oh.
Let me see.
A loogie? The double sided.
Looking for something?
At last, I found my quarry. The Astrium. Used by the Zepho sages millennia ago. I hold in my hand a piece of galactic history. Oh, I will never be able to thank Tarful enough. Do you know what this means, my friend? No need to return to Darthanir. Darkness clouded every attempt at finding the Astrium inside Kujit's tomb, but the Force.
The Force has provided a new path.
Cooch's tomb.
Found you again.
You're done hurting this world.
I don't know what's got second sister thinking you're so important. She likes her souvenirs, but I'm not in it for the memories, and honestly, you're not worth my time. So let's make this quick. Bring the pain.
Alright.
Not bad for trash.
What about for a Jedi?
Is there a difference?
Alright. Oh, man, I thought I got it.
I thought you put up more of a fight.
You're right.
Oh, quick one.
Okay.
Barely noticed. Had a nice sound to it, don't you think? This fight never lasts. You never stood a chance.
Oh, whatever. I did pretty good on my first fight. Whatevs, whatevs. This isn't holding the defense for a while.
Aren't you enjoying this?
Alright, now it's on. Alright, dude. Give me a chance to freaking attack, dude. Oh, this guy's a dick.
Time to find the others.
Oh, man. He didn't let me attack for a little bit. That's not fair. Alright, let's... Alright, I'm done with this guy. I am done. Time for him to get wrecked. Whew.
Almost felt that. Can't take a hit. No train to save you this time. Don't worry, we're nearly done here.
Don't worry, I'm gonna get her. Again. Okay.
That was nothing.
You're finished.
It's over.
Being an Inquisitor taught me no setback is too great. When you've already lost yourself, a limb's easy. You know, I was a Jedi. It'd be fun to bring you in. Watch you crack like the rest of us!
Are we really gonna fight
Oh,
someone?
angers you. Just wait till the isolation! Listen! And your friends! I won't let you touch them! You can't stop the Empire!
I can stop you. Just took down an Inquisitor. Hey! I thought you were dead.
Trying to say the same about me. Whew. It's a lot better this time around. I
But you're okay.
almost
We should get back. See
got
what
no
Reaper's expecting us.
flawless victory, but in the end, this has to. I thought the game froze there for a second.
Let's head out.
There's the Jedi!
Kentucky, hey, what's up? Oh, there's this bug. Okay, alright, I'm out. Alright. Okay, good. I'm not gonna miss you.
Good job, BD.
That's how you take that guy down. Remember, this is a shortcut, so it's probably take me back. Where does they go now? What? No, I'm not feeling scared at all.
Jump back, coward!
Actually. Oh, you a-hole. You think you're just so cool.
Just give up!
Do that stuff to you, man. How you like it? Oh, there's a pit there.
Stim BD?
How you like it? Immediately jumps in pit. Practice my moves.
Cordova believed the key to the vault is on Dathomir.
You find your Wookiee?
Yeah. Things are bad down there. Empires everywhere.
Inquisitors?
Altrilla, his second sister, is gone for now, but she's still chasing us. I defeated the Ninth Sister.
Cal, when I was captured by the Empire, I resisted. I swore to myself that I would die before I would talk. But then this dark shadow came. He was worse than any nightmare I could have imagined, and I still fought. But in the end, I came apart. And I gave them Trilla. And I know there's nothing I can do to make that right. But Cal, there's still a chance we can save the others on the holocron.
Hey, look. The Ninth Sister said something about becoming an Inquisitor like it's inevitable. But you went through the same thing she did, and you didn't join them.
Cal.
It's okay, Seer. We'll find Cordova's holocron.
Hey! Get your lasers off my lunch!
I wonder if that flip move is what helps us get through Dathomir now.
Hey, wasn't there a gigantic crash ship on Zepho? Think there's any good loot in that thing?
This Cordova guy is really putting some wear and tear on my ship.
You always wanted to explore the whole galaxy.
And did you?
We explored many planets, tombs and temples related to the Zepho and Jedi. But I hit a limit. To him, there was no limit.
The poor crazy old guy was left alone.
He was always alone, even when I was with him. He cared about his work and future more than anything else. He didn't have the time. He was always on the move. Logano was the first place I ever saw that looked like he settled, even for a brief moment.
Get over here, kid. We're about to land.
Ooh, 47 minutes.
On the ship, indoors, I got walls, I got Jedi, I'm fine. Yeah.
Cat, do you have a moment? You've come a long way, son. But the path is far from over. I want you to know the difficult challenges ahead.
I can handle it.
I know what you can do. I'm not denying that.
And I know what has to be done. I've done it before.
Cal, even the strongest of Jedi.
I'm not Trilla. I'll be fine.
I know you're not. I didn't say that.
I'm not asking you to say anything. It's okay, Seer. Really.
Just be safe, Cal. That's all.
Alright guys, I think that's enough for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Game on, and see you guys next time. Bye!